question here. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter. Diameter is 40 centimeter. Diameter 40 centimeter. The length of a chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc. Find the length of minor arc. You have to find out the length of minor arc. So see here, solution. This is a circle whose center is O. See here, the diameter is here 40 centimeter. So radius will become 20 centimeter. So this one is equal to 20 centimeter because diameter is 40 centimeter. So radius R become 20 centimeter. And suppose this is a point A. And here the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. So this is the length of a chord. This is the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. So this is here 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Suppose this is a point P. This is point P. Now join this one. Join here OP. So this one also 20 centimeter. R is equal to 20 centimeter. Now see here, OA 20 centimeter, PA 20 centimeter, OP 20 centimeter. It means AOP is an equilateral triangle. OAP is an equilateral triangle, and we know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and this is an equilateral triangle, so all angle will be 60 degree. So 60, 60, 60, 180. So this angle is equal to 60 degree. 60 degree. So here we have to write radius. We have diameter D is equal to 40 centimeter. So our radius R is equal to 20 centimeters. Okay, theta is equal to 60 degree. So now convert into radian form, because we are going to use the formula theta is equal to L by R, where L is the length of a chord AB. Where let, here you can write, let arc AP, let arc AP equal to L. Arc AP, you can write like this, arc AP is equal to L. So theta is equal to L by R. So here theta should be in radian form. So convert into radian form. So theta becomes 60 degree into pi by 3. Here pi by, here 180 degree. So 63 is 180, it means pi by 3. Now use this formula. Theta is equal to L by R. Theta is equal to L by R. Use this formula. So theta is pi by 3. L, here R is your 20. So L is equal to 20 by 3, 20 pi by 3. This is your answer. If you want to convert, so you can convert here 20 by 3, multiply pi value is 22 by 7. Otherwise leave like this. The angles of a triangle are in the AP. the angles of a triangle are in AP. The number of degrees in the least is the number of degree in the least is the number of radian in the greatest. Is 60 is to pi. Find the angles in degree. Find the angles in degree you have to find out. You learn in class 10 arithmetic progression. We know that the difference between two consecutive number is same, then it is called AP, arithmetic progression. Suppose here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The common difference is same. 3 minus 1, 5 minus 3, here 7 minus 5, 2. These are arithmetic progression. So I am going to use the arithmetic progression, and in next chapter the arithmetic progression is there. Arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression is also there. But in your syllabus only arithmetic progression and geometric progression is there. So see here in this question arithmetic progression is there. So let three angles, let A minus D, A plus D be three angles of a triangle. We know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So see here A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 180 degree. So see here, so minus D and plus D is cancelled. Minus plus D and minus D cancel. So 3A is equal to 180 degree. So A is equal to 60 degree. A equal to 60 degree. Now I am putting here 60 degree, the value of A. So 60 minus D, 60 degree and 60 plus D degree. Now see here, degree in the least, degree in the least. So least is our 60 minus D degree. So degree in the least is to the number of radians in the greatest. So is the here the ratio is given. So 60 is to pi. So 60 by pi. So what is here? The number of degree in the least. So least here the least divided by the number radian in the greatest. So greatest is already here in the radian. Radian in the greatest form is there. Then we have to find out the least degree. So least is 60 minus D degree. So degree convert into radian. So we have to multiply by pi over 180 degree divided by greatest. So greatest is here your 60 plus D is equal to 60 by pi. So here the number of degree in the least. So this one is in degree form. The number degree in the least. So degree here, it is degree. So degree in the list, so this is the degree, and the number of radian in the radian, here it is in radian. So degree converted into radian. Now this one we have to convert, this degree we have to convert into radian form. So if you want to convert into radian form, you have to multiply by pi over 180 degree. So see here 180 will go up. So 60 minus d divided by 60 plus d into here pi, and here 180 degree is equal to 60 by pi. So here pi and pi cancel. So 63 ja 180, 63 ja 180. So here you will get now 60 minus d, 60 minus d into 3 is equal to 60 plus d. Now here 180 minus 3d is equal to 60 plus d. Now transfer this one. So 180 minus 60 is equal to 3d plus d. So 120 degree, here all are in degree, degree. So 120 degree is equal to 4d. So d is equal to, so d is equal to 120 degree by 4 is equal to 30 degree. So you got here 30 degree, the angles here 30 degree. So a minus d, now a minus d, it means a is your 60 degree minus d is your 30 degree is equal to 30 degree. A is equal to 60 degree and a plus d means 60 plus 30 equal to 90 degree. So see here 30, 60, 90 plus 90, 180. So here these are in AP 30, 60 and 90. So this is the required angles. Find the angles in degree. The angles in degree, the required angles are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree.